Point generation with slope and distance. In this video tutorial, you will learn about point generation with slope and distance. Click on the point generation slope distance option from the calculations menu on the left menu. In the open panel, the coordinate system is selected from the search button. Then point is selected via one of the options of the current location from the map, searching or typing. When we determine the unit for the length and horizontal angle values to be used for point generation and click on the Generate Point button, the result appears on the screen. When we click on the Save button, the process result is saved after entering the save name on the screen that appears. When we click on the List panel, the saved results are listed. Points can be downloaded in selected formats by clicking the Download button. When the Clear Data button is clicked, all the data in the table is cleared. Clicking on the Delete button to the right of the results, the save of the selected point can be deleted. When we click on the coordinates, the point is shown on the map. Thank you for watching us. Don't forget to follow us to be updated for recent developments. You may continue to next tutorial video.